everybody, and welcome back to another exciting episode of Hands On with BLG. I'm BLG, I'm lefty, and I'm righty. I'm joking to death, it's early in the morning. Today's exciting episode, we're going to make Payday candy bars, homemade Paydays. Nice, good things, very good things. You're going to like them. They're easy to make. I can get over here, show you what we need here. Right quick, we're taking a break from the motorhome today. It's going to get hot and I don't really feel like messing with it. I kind of tweaked on my elbow yesterday from something, so I'm not going to do it. Okay, so what we need, we got about 30 caramels all peeled. That was fun, sitting and peeling those. There's 38 of them in here to be exact. One small pack of caramels. We've got about 1/8 of a cup of half and half, right there. In here, we got a little bit of peanut butter. We're going to use all of that today, folks. No, that's jar of salted peanuts, cheapest shit I could find. Dry roasted salted peanuts. There you go. A little bit of handful of marshmallows, mini marshmallows, right, chop. We got a little casserole pan, about a 9x9. We're going to butter the crap out of this thing, right? This is how I do it. I just leave it in the package. And butter the hell out of stuff. Slather it, man. Slather. Slather in a baking pan with the butter. Making it look good and stuff. Jumped on the scales this morning, down to 235, which is cool. That's like 4 pounds gone already. There we go. Buttered. Buttered. Now this goes back in the fridge because I don't need it. Now what we're going to do is jump you to your favorite spot. There we go, that's better. Your favorite spot, the stove. Now what we've got here is just a little saucepan. Nothing big, nothing small. We take our caramels, dump them in here. Remember, I did peel these all. Just like so goes the caramels. We take our little 1/8 of a cup to 1/4 of a cup of half and half. I'm trying a little bit less because last time I used 1/4 of a cup. They were just a little soft on me. So I'm going to go 1/8 of a cup. Try that. We're going to kick our stove on, whether it's gas or electric, to the lowest you can get. You want a little bitty flame that won't blow out on you. If it's a gas stove, if it's electric, you want it low, on low setting, not high. Don't want to burn this stuff, folks. Do not want to burn it. I'm going to use the marshmallows over here next to you if you don't mind. Just don't eat them. Stay out of them. They're mine. I don't really care for marshmallows. Help yourself. I just need a handful. I guess Mr. Cowboy Spoon. Hey, it's me. Well, I'm back again. Good to be back. Mr. Cowboy Spoon. Mr. Cowboy Spoon. He can stir just about any fucking thing. You want beans. You want steak. You want, in this case, some candies. I got you covered. I can make chili too. Mr. Cowboy Spoon, thank you. Thank you over there. Thank you up there in the cheap seats. Thank you. I will be signing autographs after the show. Backstage over here. Well, that's quite the grand entrance there, Mr. Cowboy Spoon. No problem. Anytime I can be of service. I like being on the show. So I'm going to slowly stir these around. And they're going to slowly melt. So I will pause, and we will see you back here when these are melted. And those marshmallows will get put in here. Yes, see you in a few. We're back now, folks. Welcome back. And we're getting down to some good caramely melted goodness. So hey, it's starting to melt up in the pot here. Just stirring it around. Beat it down like that. So now here you get to about this point here. Let that sit on the spoon and melt that. Now is where our peanut butter comes in. We're going to take about 2 good tablespoons regular tablespoons out of the drawer. About 2 good tablespoons of peanut butter. And smack that down in here. See? Like that. Yes. Yes. We'll just eat that off the rest of the spoon. I love peanut butter, as you know. Trying to get Lefty and Righty to put this giant lid back together. Nice, got it. Alright, I'm going to stir this peanut butter in here, see? Nice, huh? Told you it's not hard. Don't even really got to measure anything. Other than maybe about 1/8 of a cup of half and half or 1/4 cup, whatever you desire. Alright, we got this to about chow. Now the fun. Little marshmallows, right? I'm going to put about a handful, about 1 good handful of marshmallows up in here. Little mini marshmallows. Boop, maybe a touch more. Just because it helps to make it fluffy. And we like fluffy. They make it so fluffy. You wish you'd never been fluffy before, man. Stir these in. See how easy this is? This is all there is to it. No salt, no flour, blah, blah, blah. Nope. Just going to melt these in here. Right. That's looking pretty good. Just switch to Lefty. Lefty, you stir. Yeah, that's looking good. Alright, now what we're going to do, this comes off the heat. One last little stir. Now, this is going to sit off the burner. Like that. We're going to come back over here. Nice and easy. I'll even do this from this side. Why not? Now we've got our buttered 9x9 here. And this is a 16 ounce, 1 pound jar of peanuts. This is. So we're going to pour these into the bottom here. Like this. Look how difficult. No measuring or nothing. Right out of the jar. We're going to use enough to make about a decent 1/2 inch layer down here. Worth. It's basically about 2 passes over the bottom. About like that. Kind of get them all nice and even here. That's about 2 good passes over the bottom of the jar. And that's got to sit and cool off now. We're waiting for the caramel to cool off. That's going to cool off about maybe 7-8 minutes or so. So we'll see you back here when that caramel is cooled off and goes on there. Oh hey! It's just jamming out. Just the Peanuts music. No. We're back. Okay, now this is the hard part, folks. We take our pan of melted caramels. They've been cooling off for maybe about 7 minutes. 6 or 7 minutes. I'm impatient, you know me. And we take this up on Mr. Cowboy's spoon. It's all sticky and slimy. Yes, this is what we're looking for, and we're going to slather this all on the top here. Spread it all out. Spread it, spread it, spread it. All out over the top here. We'll get it in here first, then we'll try to smooth it out. That's going to go in there. Smear this around a little bit. Try to anyway. It's really sticky, but it's fine. That's what we want. Because we're going to do something magical here in just a minute. So we kind of got it smeared around somewhat. Kind of even looking. I'm liking it. So, thank you, Mr. Spoon, Mr. Cowboy Spoon. You're most welcome. Alright. Now, I want to take some more peanuts. They're going to go over the top of this. Okay? And then smash them down. Poke them in here like this. Work them around, work them around. Get them all nice and packed in there. There we go. I'm pretty happy with that. It's giving them all a chance to stick. Whatever doesn't stick, eat them anyway. There you go. We're going to let them cool off. Let them set and completely, and then you can turn them little bad boys into candy bars. Put them into candy bars. So let them cool off, and I'll get back to you. See you in a little bit. Yes, I just got out of the bathtub. Yeah, the sink. Alrighty, see you in a minute. Okie doke, we're back, folks. Time to zap these up here. Let's see. I want to go about through here. They're still a little soft, but I think I might have overdid the marshmallow fluff a little. They're fine. They'll work for me. Zap these down into some bar sizes here. Got me a nice long knife. La 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 la. Zap these down into candy bars. Do 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 do. I'm gonna make each one about this big. So that might make 3. You know what? No, I'm not. I'm leaving that alone. You go in here. You go in here. Yes, yes. Okay. I'm just going to zap these in half. Payday candy bars. I've been looking forward to making these for about 2 weeks now. I've been like, paydays. I need to make paydays. And the old lady, she's like, well, you've got the stuff. And I'm like, yeah, but I need to finish my cookies, or I'll never finish my damn cookies. She thought that was a pretty good point. Look at that. Just going to leave that one whole. And these guys go back in the peanut jar. This. You know why? Go back in the peanut jar, because I'm going to make me a homemade, peanut buster. Shut up, you stupid paper. Make me a homemade peanut butter parfait from like Dairy Queen and stuff for dessert one of these nights. Look at that. There you have it. Homemade paydays, man. They are really, really, really good stuff too. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. I love them. There you go. So you know how to make them now. They're not difficult at all. Very easy, very fun. There's nothing to it. It's hot outside. I kicked the air conditioner down to 70 this morning and got it down to 70. It's 80. Well, at noon it was 87. And it's supposed to be about 87 today. So it's about its high, 87, 88. And it's riding right around 76 in here. It's not too bad. Just letting it do its thing. Not too bad at all. But anyways, hope you enjoyed this episode. Hands on with BLG. Make you some payday candy bars. Have some fun. Nice and simple. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Like and subscribe and stuff. Leave a comment. Drop by and say howdy. Appreciate all the subscribers I've got. We'll see you guys back here in the next exciting episode. Hands on with BLG. For Hands on with BLG. For BLG. I am BLG. I'm Lefty. And I'm Righty. See you guys next time. Peace out. Goodbye. Hands on with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes, sirree. Hands on with BLG. Stick around and learn from